Did you see Ram, sir?
No, I haven't. Why?
He just walked in.
So?
He walked in furiously.
Oh no.
Why did Shri give Dani two different reactions to the same information? The only difference between the two sentences is the use of word furiously. The word furiously is an adverb. It describes the way Ram sir walked in. Adverbs are words that are used to qualify or describe a verb, adjective, clause or another adverb. In other words, adverbs give more information about the action of the verb. Adverbs perform many functions. They give more details and answers questions such as how, where, when, in what way, to what extent. Take a look at this sentence. When he saw the snake, he ran quickly. Can you guess what the adverb is in the above sentence? If you said the word quickly, then you're right. Here, the word quickly is the adverb and it's used to describe how fast he ran when he saw the snake. Now take a look at this sentence. When he saw the snake, he ran very quickly. What's the difference? The word very is added to the sentence. Here, the word very also acts as an adverb to the already existing adverb quickly. An easy way to identify which word is the adverb is to look for words ending with ly. But not all adverbs are like this. An example of this is a word we already looked at, very. There are many types of adverbs that describe different situations. Adverbs of manner tell you how a certain thing happened. For example, she excitedly opened her birthday gift, or he finished his work quickly and left the office. Some other words that are adverbs of manner are openly, neatly, quickly, rapidly, happily, and sadly. Adverbs of time or frequency gives you the information of when something happened. For example, he picked up his car yesterday. Or you will never get a chance like this again. Words such as before, after, today, tomorrow, always are all adverbs of time or frequency. Adverbs of place, like the previous two, tell you where an event occurred. For example, there was a huge accident outside the stadium. I play at the nearby ground. Here, there, upstairs, everywhere are all adverbs of place. Adverbs of degree explains the level of intensity of the verb. For example, the car almost ran over my foot, or it is nearly time for dinner. Some words that fall under this category are enough, hardly, simply, so, just. Adverbs help us express ourselves better and understand situations and events around us. Try using adverbs when you talk to a friend this way. Your friend will understand you better and you will slowly learn to speak more confidently.